way too many doubted me. Now they all look proud of me. I was way too nice, had to show a different side of me. Always count me out, nobody ever invited me.
Hey guys, it's your girl Kimmy Wajif coming to you with a waist bead tutorial. Now we've been getting so many requests for a video tutorial on how to tie our Ghana imported handmade waist beads. So we're not gonna waste any time. Let's get into it.
To get things started, all you'll need is to wrap waist beads and a pair of scissors. On one end, you'll notice that there is a knot on the end of your waist bead string. This is, of course, to prevent any of the waist beads from falling out on the opposite end. Now, you'll notice on the other end, it won't be tied as tight, and this is so that you can easily unravel your waist bead string to slide those beads off. For time purposes, I'm just showing how I quickly slide those beads down so I can have a decent amount of white string on both sides, just in case I need to move some beads out the way to size her waist. Woo, child, I know y'all talking about my nails.
Get in my business, don't do that.
Anywho, we're gonna keep this show going. Okay. Now here's what some might say would be the tricky part. I've seen waist beads applied to different levels of this stomach, waistline area. It's really just whatever you prefer. Right now, I'm placing it a little below her navel, kind of along that waistline. Again, I've seen it applied at so many different heights. It really just depends upon, how you want your waist beads to fall. The method used is the same, that cross method, pretty much like tying a shoe. You see me jiggling the waist bead here. This is just to make sure that you give yourself a little room when tying your waist beads. Oftentimes we may tie them too tight, and then, we pig out and have 10 burgers or something, and then next thing you know, you're at a restaurant and your waist beads are popping off. So definitely make sure you have enough room to kind of move and wiggle around. So once you've decided where you want your waist beads to fall, again, take it back to elementary school. It's like tying a shoe. You want to make sure you get that cross approach going. Pull it over, bring it around, and boom, secure the knot. At this point, you just want to get the double knot thing going here. So you want to just repeat the first step. Okay, so you see that? You see what just happened there? So in a case like this, you want to be sure to be careful that you're not leaving too much white string visible when tying your waist beads. So definitely secure that knot when attempting to make the second tie. So just grab your knot and, pull through, and again, secure the first tie. Boom. Up. Kind of got a little out of focus here, but there we go. And so just continue to tie, kind of spread them around, make it secure, and then just repeat. Now I tied about 4 or 5 times, but I just have no chill, so it's really whatever you prefer. Just make sure it's secure. As you can see, her waist beads fell right below her belly button, giving her just enough room to move around. Last but not least, you want to go ahead and cut the excess beads and string off from your waist beads, unless you just, want to walk around with string hanging from your waist. You want to snip that off. And voila, you are finished. Now, of course, according to your waist size, you may have a few additional pieces left over. Feel free to look at the list on your screen for uses.
Well, that's all we have for today. I hope you all enjoyed. This video will be posted on our YouTube as well as our Instagram, so feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. Until next time, guys, peace.
It's that clockwork, way too many doubted me. Now they all look proud of me. I was way too nice, had to show a different side of me. Always count me out, nobody ever invited me.